Children, open your maths textbook, page number 14. Keep your finger wherever I read, and you also read with me in your mind. Okay? Place value of the digits in a number. So place means what? Position, and value means amount, uski कीमत. Did you get? Now read after with me. To understand a two-digit number, we look at how many bundles of 10 there are in the tens place. Now see here, this is the column of 10 and this is the column of units. So when we are looking at the tens column, we can see the bundle of sticks. Yes or no? And how many bundles? See, 1, 2 and 3. So we can see 3 bundle of sticks. And as we know, one bundle is having 10 sticks. So 3 bundle will have 30 sticks. Did you get? See here. And how many units or singles there are. And if we look at the units column, we can see the loose sticks. And how many loose sticks are here? So 7. If we count, it will come 7. So 7 loose sticks we are having. Did you get? So let's see here. For example, in 37, there are 3 bundles in tens place and 7 single sticks in the units place. See children here. Here we are having 3 bundles and one bundle is having 10 sticks. And here we are having 7 loose or single sticks. Okay. So what is the number? The number is 37. The number is 37. Okay. Now go on the next place and see page number 15 and see what is the meaning of place value. I told you before also, place means position and value means amount. Okay, look here. What can you see? Here they have formed the 2 columns. They wrote the number here 35. Then in 35 they made the 2 columns. They made the group of that things. Okay, by drawing a picture, and this is the picture of blocks. Here they made the 3 groups of blocks. 3 groups of blocks. Each column is having 10 blocks. And loose blocks are how many? There are 5 loose blocks. So one group of block is having 10 each. So how many? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. So 3 tens we are having here. And how many singles blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single blocks. So what is the number? It's 3 10 means 30. So it's 35. Okay. 30 and 5 are 35. So in a number 35, we have 3 in the tens place. See, 3 we are having in tens place. If we open 3 10 bundles, we get 30 units. So if we made this group of blocks loose, we get 30 single blocks here. That is why the place value of 3 in the number 35 is 30. As 5 is in the units place, its place value is 5. So 5 place value is 5 because it is coming in units place, single 5. Okay. And here 3 is coming in tens column. So 3 10 means 1 time 10, 2 time 10, 3 time 10. 3 time 10 means 30. So the place value of 3 is 30 because if we made it loose, if we break this column of blocks, we will get loose 30 blocks. Children, did you get this? Now proceed on the next one. See which number you can see over here. It is 50. 50. So we can, in 50 we can make 5 group of tens. How many group of tens we can make? We can form 5 group of tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10. So 5 10 means 50. And 0 is coming in units place. 0 means nothing. No value at all. So 0, nothing. No need to draw anything. Okay, 0 means nothing. So what is the number? 5 tens and 0 means 50. 50 and 0 or 50. Both the way you can write and see. See 50 and 0. 50 and 0 means only 50. So in the number 50, 5 is in the tens place. 5 is in the tens column, tens place. When we open a tens bundle, we get 50 units. If you open these all group of bundles, we will get 50 loose blocks. Okay. So therefore, in the number 50, the place value of 5 is 50. The place value of 5 is 50. In the units place, we have 0, whose place value is also 0. 0 means nothing, 0, 0. Did you get, children? Now children, did you get the difference between the two examples? Here in the units place, there was 5. So place value of units number 5 is 5 only. And here place value of units place is 0 because 0 is coming in the units number only. So children, did you get the difference? Unit number place value is coming that same number itself. And tens column place value is that number with 10 group. Means what? 3. So 3 10. 2. So 2 10. 3 10 means 30. 2 10 means 20. 5 5 tens. 5 10 means 50. I hope you must have understood the topic. Now we are going on our next question. Children, read the question. Can you tell the value of each digit in the numbers shown below? Now see here, which column they have formed here? Here they have formed the column of units, no tens, okay, units. And how many balls they have drawn here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 6 balls we are having here. 6 single balls. So the place value of 6 is 6 only. Since 6 is standing in units place and units place value number is that same number itself. So 6 place value is 6 only. Did you get? Now go on to our next example. See here they have formed the group of 10 also and group of unit also. Now in group of tens, how many string of beads can you see? We can see 2 string of beads and each string is having 10 beads. If you count, children, you will get 10 beads in each string. So how many string of beads we are having? 2 strings, 2 group of tens, that means. And how many units beads we are having? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 single beads we are having here. And what is the total number? It's 26. In 26, 6 is standing in units place and 2 is standing on tens place. So what is the place value of 6? Can you tell me? So place value of 6 is 6 itself only, and place value of 2 is 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. See, place value of 2 is 210 because first group is having 10 and second group is also having 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. 210. And 6 place value is 6 only. Did you get? Now look into the third example. See, in tens column, how many bundle of sticks we can see, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see 4 bundle of sticks here. And how many loose sticks we can see? We can see 2 loose sticks. So what is the number? It is 42. It is 42. So in 42, tell me the place value of number 2, digit 2. So 2 digit is standing in units place. For that reason, place value of 2 is 2 itself. Okay, 2 only. Whereas fourth number, 4 digit is standing on tens place. So 4 10 means 40, because one group is having 10 each. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 times 10 means 40. So the place value of 4 is 40. So 40 plus 2 is 42. And inner objects, we have to show like this. Did you get? Now look the next example. See how many tens notes I am having here. 1, 2 and 3. Here I am having 3 notes of 10 rupees. And how many coin of 1 I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coin of 1 I am having. Did you get? Now tell me, what is the place value of 4? Very good. Place value of 4 is 4 only, because it is standing in units place. Single 4. Okay. And then the place value of 3 is 3030. 3030. See? 10, 20, 30. So 310 means 30. Children, I hope you have understood our today's topic about the place value. Place means position, value means amount. So we are having, basically in second standard, we are going to learn only tens and units column. Okay, so whatever things is coming in tens column, that means we are going to say the amount in tens. Whatever number is there, that many tens you have to say over here. If 2, 20. If 4, 40. If 3, 30. Did you get? And whatever number is coming in units place, the place value of that number is coming same number itself. See, 6, 6. 2, 2. 4, 4. So I hope you must have understood this. You write it in your textbook and show to your parents, and revise and read and go through this lesson of place value again. Till that, take care and stay safe at home. Thank you.